Hi, legal professionals. Welcome to our channel where we show you how to use Google Workspace for your law firm or solo practice. Today, we're looking at a game changer for multitasking attorneys, feature called auto summaries. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do is go to google.drive.com, open up your document. So go ahead and choose a document that's long in length, whether it's a discovery document. Go ahead and click on Tools, Audio, and then listen to document summary.
This document outlines the mandatory requirements for a pretrial conference order.
This is a massive win for productivity during traveling in between hearings. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more legal specific workspace tips. And let me know down in the comments. I want to hear from you. Would you use this for your internal memos or client intake summaries? Let me know.